What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Tuesday. We're going to go over our friend Polygon. Currently we're sitting at 89 cents, up 1.87 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 7.78 billion. 24-hour volume sitting at 432 million. Let's hop into the charts. So we bounced off our wave 4 pullback zone. If we look at our larger wave count here, from the bottom, we came up in a wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback. We pushed up into wave 3, and currently we've gone through an exaggerated ABC correction, pulled back in a wave 4, looking for a potential wave 5. That's the bullish scenario, and now we've started to break out from our wave 4 low here, and we're starting to push up. So we have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 pullback. You can see in my last video I talked about a pullback zone in between 83 to 87 cents, and currently we have seen a reaction off that level. So to measure a wave 5, there's a couple ways that you can do it. Take your trend base extension from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3. To the bottom of wave 4, you're looking for a 618 extension, which is currently sitting at 95 cents. Or you can take your trend base extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top to the bottom of the wave 4, and you're looking for a 100% extension, which is very close at about 94 cents. For a potential wave 5. So those are your targets, around 94 and 95 cents. However, a wave 5 can complete any time above the wave 3. We have pushed above it a little bit here, but I'm not seeing a very nice 5-wave move, but it is possible. Right now I'm only really seeing a 3-wave move. So we'll see what happens here. If we do continue to push up, then look for a wave 5 in between 95 and 94 cents. However, if we do correct, what we might be doing here is just be still going through a wave 4 correction. We are starting to see a bit of a red candle here, or potentially have completed a 5-wave move and looking for a wave 2 pullback. All right, guys. So what you'd be looking at is a completed wave 1. Let me just draw it out, where we've come up in a wave 1, and you would have a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Gonna make this smaller here. Basically, to complete, we'll change the color to green, and we're gonna drop it down to micro. Basically, to complete the wave 5, the larger wave count, what you'd be looking at is a wave 1. You'd see a wave 2 pullback. If we were to start to correct from this level and have already completed a 5-wave move, fib retracement from the bottom of wave 1 all the way up to the top of the wave 5, which is the completed wave 1. So you'd be looking for a target in between the 0.5 to 0.786, so about 79 to 83 cents, with a minimum target of the 0.382 at 0.856, about 85 cents for a potential wave 2. However, ideally what you would want to see is a larger wave 5, but as I mentioned, it can complete anytime it breaks above the wave 3. That's the bullish scenario here for Matic. As I had mentioned, we did break down from this ascending channel. We did have a bear flag, but we did break out to the upside. So if we do see continuation, we could definitely push up for a potential double top at about $1.03. So do watch for that resistance. We might put in a bearish divergence here on the daily RSI. We were watching this rising wedge pattern, which we did break down, and we came right down to support and saw a pretty strong bounce. There was stronger support down at about 73 cents, but you can see we've already seen a strong reaction off that level. Now, potentially, I'm still looking at this being a relief rally and still seeing one more wave down. But if we do complete the 5-wave move, then potentially what we could be looking at here, as I've been mentioning, is we completed a wave 1, and then we just see a large wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation to the upside. Definitely a possibility, especially if we do come up and complete that 5-wave move here for Matic. Just be very, very cautious, guys, of a relief rally. If we do come up and create a double top and get rejected here, then I would expect you to come down and create a lower low. But even if we do come up and break this high, as I mentioned, a wave 5 can complete anytime it breaks above the wave 3 high, which is currently up here at about $1.02. So any break above that level could complete the wave 5, and then potentially what we could be looking at is a wave 1 completed to the upside, where we've come up in a wave 1. Then you see a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which would signal to us that the bottom is in for Matic. However, if Bitcoin does come down to the 10 to 13K price target, you will see Matic, in my opinion, make a lower low, and this was just a large relief rally. which I still think is likely, but we'll have to see what plays out. The merge is coming up for Ethereum, and Matic usually moves very, very closely with ETH, so that definitely could cause a large breakout. If we do see quite a bit of buying pressure around the merge, just be cautious of a buy the rumor, sell the news. All right, guys, we're in a bear market. But it's not financial advice, it's just my opinion. So if we were to start to correct here, potentially we could be putting in a wave 2 pullback, or still just going through this wave 4 unless we come down and lose about 83 cents. If that support is lost, it invalidates a wave 4, and you'd have to be looking at a wave 2 where the 5-wave move is already complete. But if we do see continuation to the upside, which you would like to see for this 5-wave move here, then we could push up to 94 to 95 cents to complete the wave 5 and then see a wave 2 pullback. All right, guys, that's basically it for our friend Matic. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, $4,500 in bonuses. You can check out my full length tutorial. And I'll quickly open up the Discord where we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership. For my leverage trades, for my spot trades, sign up to the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. Check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.